In this video, I'm going to show you the best DIY website builders so that you can get your business up and running in no time. Hi, this is Morgan, Senior Software Analyst from 9to5software.com. If you're looking to build a website for your company or personal brand, then we're going to need some good tools. There are tons of options out there, but only a few really stand out from the rest. Let me tell you about them and how they can help make life easier for you today. Check out the links in the comments to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. For small businesses, we have Wix. Despite not being the most popular website builder, Wix has always had a big following with over 200 million users. The platform started off as an Adobe Flash-based program, making it difficult for them to rank well in search engines in the beginning. But now they are one of the most flexible builders out there. Wix is one of the best website builders because it's as easy to use and fun. This program doesn't just provide basic templates for your site. You can create professional-looking sites with ease using Wix features like photo carousels or videos. All content in this software has been carefully designed by professionals who know what makes a good design stand out from its competitors. Using one simple tool called the Builder, users are able to build beautiful websites without any previous coding experience whatsoever. Even beginners will be confident they could make something great. Websites are constantly evolving as new features and tools become available. Wix provides a great platform for site builders who enjoy making updates, but it's important to note that these free additions can add up quickly if you don't watch your budget. What our users don't like about Wix is that if you're looking to build a very big website with at least 100 pages, then maybe just getting started with WordPress or Squarespace would be best. It has more features than other site builders and is less complicated, which means that if your mood changes or interest wanes, there are far fewer restrictions on what kind of sites can be created within its platform. Wix templates could also be a bit slow since they heavily depend on images and videos to make the theme visually appealing. Heavy media assets used often leads to slow loading times, especially on mobile devices. If you want a free option, try WordPress. WordPress does more than just websites. You can build anything you want using WordPress, including two-click article posting. The platform was one of the first DIY website builders, which have had plenty of time to perfect their skill in building sites for any purpose, and there's lots to love about it, like its self-explanatory functions on side panel. It has plugins that need updating often, but luckily this task gets done automatically when notified through notifications from within dashboard, making updates easy as pie, or should I say drag and drop. Free site builders such as WordPress offer the option to build your website for free, but it's not always easy and some add-ons come with a cost. Third-party apps make this easier though. If you run an online store, check out Squarespace. Squarespace is a versatile website builder with lots of design tools and options. Unlike other site builders, it offers professional templates, especially for online stores, that can be customized for each user's needs without giving you analysis paralysis. Squarespace is an impressive website builder that offers great features for the price. It's not cheap, but it's worth checking out if you're looking to create your own site quickly and easily with lots of customizability options like choosing from dozens of themes or creating mobile-friendly versions on smart devices. The downsides: some users may find the website builder a bit difficult to use. It's not as simple and straightforward as other alternatives, but it does have some unique features that make up for its complexity, such as being able to create your own custom domain name with ease, or having support for external applications if you need them built in, instead of considering third-party ones like Wix App Market, which is more limited by comparison. We'd also suggest Squarespace developers to add backup and restore functionality, since some of our small business owners complain about downtime when restoring from old backups. There are so many options out there for online businesses to choose from. It can be difficult to know which one is the best option for you and your business, especially if it's your first time building a website or store. We analyzed the most popular DIY website builders in order to help answer that question. This video has covered WordPress, Squarespace, and Wix, all three of which have their own strengths and weaknesses depending on what type of site you want to create. Which one would you prefer? Let us know in the comments.